Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, I will be guiding you on how to farm cyber finance. Cyber finance is a Telegram farming app powered by the cyber finance dev team. Cyber finance farming is simple and easy and with great digital rewards. So guys, before we get started, if you know you find our video tutorials useful and helpful, do well to support our channel by buying our educational token, the Wiki Cat. Wiki Cat is built on the Binance Smart Chain Network. I will be dropping the contract address in the description below this video. So guys, quickly, let's dive into the video. Now, to get started on cyber finance, you'll be needing a referral link, and I will be getting a link from a friend. You click on the link, it redirects you to Telegram. Okay. You click on Start Earning. Allow to load. Here you go. This is the beautiful interface of cyber finance. All you have to do is click on claim points. It automatically claims the points and starts a new session. Each session lasts for 8 hours, so you come back every 8 hours to claim the cracked mind tokens. So guys, you can navigate your way around this app by utilizing these icons below. This invite icon allows you to generate your unique referral link, and you can send to friends to join you in this mining, and you'll be earning extra reward. Also utilize this boost icon. Okay, so the N icon allows you to perform certain tasks, and you would be earning additional rewards. And then the boost icon allows you to increase the size of the egg, and you will be earning more tokens in return. So guys, this is all for cyber finance. It's easy and simple. If you find this video useful, do well give this video a thumbs up. Kindly hit the subscribe button to join this growing community. Do well turn on your post notification so you get notified when another video drops. Remember, share with friends and family. If you've watched to this point, thank you so much for sticking around. I will be seeing you in our next video.